Wanna go on? We see me tomorrow.
Right.
On the day of the suspected suicide, Tony was seen in the area.
20.
Mhm.
Where did you get that information, sir?
Oh, there's more. King saw him and did exactly what he was told not to do.
He engaged?
If he had caught him, you could have used that term. But Tony slipped him. And Tony being Tony, have to make a point.
And you're saying
Mhm.
that he took out Anise to make a point?
Oh, you don't know Tony like I know Tony. He cut all ties that we could use to hold on to him.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
there is one issue. We don't know what Tony looks like now.
And we can't rely on what King thinks he saw. That boy is a chameleon. By now, for all we know, he could be a woman.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I just want to say that I'm really, really sorry about how this particular case was handled.
I hear you. Unfortunately, sorry is now the sorriest word you ever heard. Tony Ann now has to grow up fast, fast, fast. Maybe this will be what propels her into full maturity.
I understand, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll keep a much closer eye on her.
And for what it's worth, after the trauma of what she has just gone through, I won't be as hard on her Monday morning as I normally would have been. I don't want to completely break her.
Thank you, sir.
Don't thank me. Thank Annalise.
Anise, sir.
That's what she named?
See you
Or
Monday.
she did name?
See you Monday morning.
Right. Ay, 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 ay. Cuánto que tore.
Don't say goodbye, don't make Don't say goodbye.